Hello, and welcome to navigating between the dashboard and MusiQuest. My name is Anna, and I'll be taking you on this tutorial today. I'm on the dashboard right now, and I really want to get over to MusiQuest to do some composing. I'm going to go into the top right-hand corner where my name and these three vertical dots are. I'll click there, and then click on Go to MusiQuest. MusiQuest will open in a new tab. I may need to put in my login credentials, but I'll be on the MusiQuest platform. If I'm on MusiQuest and I want to get over to Dashboard, I'm going to go into that upper right-hand corner where my email address and the downward-facing arrow is. I'll click there, and then click on Go to Dashboard. This will open Dashboard in a new tab. Again, I may need to put in my login credentials, but I will be on the dashboard. This is a really great way to navigate between MusiQuest and Dashboard, but we recommend making it even easier by bookmarking each page. We'll go over bookmarking in the next video in this tutorial playlist.